Ka Don Bosco College Bindihati East Jayanti Hills District, Rangkat ke Jingat Trelang ka Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, Regional Directorate of NSS, Guwahati Government of India, hini kesngi ke Lapanlong ya ka Viksit Bharat Youth Parliament, ni karensa nyathir halor ka phang, One Nation, One Election, paving the way to Viksit Bharat. Hakani karensa nyathir lawan shimbanta de kisamla pule ka rilum jantia kan thup na ka kyang nangba Government College Jowai, ka Thomas Jones Synod College Jowai, ka Khatar Doloy Law College Jowai, ka Jantia Eastern College Klirian, bat ka Don Bosco College Bindihati. Kiba shimbanta ban ai jing kershan ya kani ka mat kiong, da ka ba penlong hakaju ka por ya baro ki election la habaya day na ka banta ki election parliament, state assembly, local body, kaya rap ban yo ya ka jing shakri ba biang. Habaya day berkaroy ka pa, ka jing tay jing shna, ni ki aan ki kanun bat ki wei. Kadba ki ba persyapat yak ni ka phang ki ong, kala ban wan ra jing ma, ha ka kam sensyar khadar, da ka ba pen iru ya ki nong rim. Ha ka ni ka jing ya thir ya ka kerdan baningkong layo, da ka kalung angel, baar ka Amy Lapasam, balai usanjay shrestha, basaw ka Febiliza Dekar, basan ka Vida Pala, ki badai na ka Don Bosco College Bindihati. Hakakerdan bahnriu layo daka riwan ka suciang, bahnyau ka yaplilang nongrang, bapra ka beautiful dahar, kibadai na kakyang nang ba Government College Jowai. Hakakerdan bakhandai layo da ulang bokstar jerwa, na ka Don Bosco College Bindihati, hakakerdan basipau layo da utri bokmi talang, na ka Khatar Doloy Law College Jowai. Kini kiba job kin salit mi khmat bat shimbanta haka state level. Shwa kani ladon ka jingelang lingkot baladon lang upadar Daniel David lang kaji principal Don Bosco College Bindihati u Dr. Sevandar Dekhar NSS District Nodal Officer u balakran lam khmat halor ka Viksit Bharat Youth Parliament u Justin Dekhar ex-MLA Kliriat u Wailat Dameshwa Siangshai MDC Musniang Rengat kinong hikai naki college bashimbanta bat kiwe.
Single unified process which is to be conducted at the same time across the nation. In present times, with elections happening at different levels, national, state and local level, at different times throughout the year, it delays the essential services for the citizens. Development.
Simple. One nation, one election. It means holding all elections, national and state, at the same time, once every year. Once every 5 years, sorry. What do we gain? Firstly, huge saving of public money. Elections are expensive, and this saving could be used for development projects.
How can we expect all of them to vote on the same day and for the same issue? It's like forcing everyone to eat the same food, even if they have different tastes. It just doesn't work. Also, what happens if a government falls midterm? It's was a crisis.
It's an immense significance for democracy. One nation, one election, paving the way for Viksit Bharat. India, the world's largest democracy, has always stood up as a beacon of electoral integrity. However, the frequent cycle of elections